But for me, I don't get excited. Like I don't want to share like being a low key relationship, which is that's our relationship is not a low key, but to feel each other like that, we need to do that. To feel to each other, we are a low key person. Na hindi yung tipong kagaya ng ibang sa relasyon na siwalat na alam mo yung pagmamahal like that. Ano sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako in, hindi pa ako in love sa mami mo. Hindi pa ako in love sa mami mo. Pero nararamdaman ko yung love. Partida ha, sa totoo lang, nag-grow up. Isipin mo nag-umpisa sa wala na pinapahirapan ko siya, 'di ba? And I see her like isipin mo 'no, tinitiis niya kahit sa LM kami nag-uusap lang, replay sa TikTok 'yan, tiniis niya. Isipin mo bago ko binigyan ko tagal din, bago ko binigay yung WePlay ko tagal-tagal din, 2 araw din lumipas sa WePlay bago ko ibigay WePlay ko. Sa TikTok bago ko ibigay yung TikTok ko tumagal din ilang ano, 'di ba? Pinaghirapan niya ng pinaghirapan and I see her progress. So that's why give love sa totoo lang, hindi ko siya minamadali o minamadali sa'min, hindi minamadali yung sarili ko. That's why like I grow with I'm ano, going the flow like that. Kasi so many people is or so many person or so many boy like they gonna glow with the flow like that, grow with the flow. But for me, it's not like I glow with our relationship, like growing and growing to each other. See, I think that's my better idea for myself and to our relationship to being good. That's the progress I see on her on our relationship. And the first time I gave a love, a serious love, for a serious love, not like a joke, not like a trip, like that. Nah, that's not what I mean. Like I mean on the real love, the real care of me being inside myself. That's why I don't want to see someone how I gonna do something like yeah I love your mom yeah I love your mom and I don't want to deny that I love your mom yeah but I'm not in love on your mother but I love her but I'm not in love and I'm not like how can I say that like another word like that but I think we're gonna go do something progress. We are gonna like we have a plan to each other how we're gonna word it. This relationship how fuck this shit. This English gonna be broke. So yun, we're gonna talk if we are talking to each other like have a plan on our relationship, how gonna grow, how we're gonna be built, how we're gonna trust each other. Then how can we see to each other to being comfortable to each other like no more girls, no more boys like that. Because we are forcing to each other like being man and woman, being husband and wife. I think soon not right now, but soon I think. Kasi I don't know if you're gonna see if you're gonna see me and her we are gonna be like being partner in like on one house. I think they don't like that. So I think you're gonna see that, but not now. But I think we can do that, but not right now. For me, it's like ano not obsessed eh. Like, hindi, mami mo obsessed na sa akin sa totoo lang. Mami L mo, na-obsessed na siya sa akin. Pero ako di pa ako obsessed sa totoo lang. So, dumadating ako sa point na parang, yun nga, fall in love, take the love, ganun. Kasi pinapakita niya yung pagiging worth it. Nag-e-effort siya. Tinitiis niya yung kahit ganun katagal. Diba? And worth it. Naibigay ko talaga yung love. Deserve niya. Kahit na ganto-ganto lang ako. Chill-chill lang. Kalmado-kalmado lang. Pero, yeah. For me, it's a better idea to do that. And I never gonna hate myself if I'm falling in love in your mother. And yeah, I'm never gonna deny that because her all effort to give to me, she showed to me the all effort he do on on herself to sacrifice on herself. For me, it's a better AC. And sometimes I want to say on her like love, like that. We have a CS. The first he called me love. I think you hear that. Like she always called me love, but I never gonna call him love in the first place that day. That the first day she gonna call me love. That 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 that's see Anna CS is I never gonna give him. But right now I can call him love like that. On our chat on another PR like on Messenger like that. Sometimes we're gonna call to each other. I always gonna call him love. I don't fucking care if you have a like cups like that. If someday the cups gonna go posted, I don't fucking care on that. And if someone gonna like post that fucking video for me, I don't fucking care about that video. First of all, your mother's gonna be strong and she take all that effort to sacrifice on herself to get to me. And I don't want to break that. Being her partner right now, I'm just willing to protect her, but not protect to like fight to each other, to fight to another person like that. I mean, and that fight with him on this world and so many sacrifices. We are not a kid, so we have our own decision on our relationship. We have like a decision on our own how we're gonna be crafted our relationship and how we're gonna progress this thing. So many problems gonna come, but for us it's alright. It's fine. It's not a big deal for us. So yeah, it's a good for me. Your mom is a good for me. She's a good woman. For real, she's a good woman. And so many fucking guy left him being alone. Then thankful on that because so many guy left him your mother and that, but now I get your mother. So yeah, I don't fucking care another person. If you're gonna being serious on your mother, nah, I don't want to destroy your mother, you know, and I don't want to destroy herself. She's strong woman, and I see that. By the way, if ever someone gonna ask you if she gonna have a permission, like she want to being your boyfriend like that, before you gonna ask your mother, you need to like I'm here on your PR like that, because your mother is like, yeah, she's can handle that, but being a father and our family, I need to hear, I need to know how she gonna be being responsible on you. If someday you're gonna find a better person on your life, I want to hear all her side, all her thoughts like that, like how she gonna progress herself, being a real man, not a fucking boy. I don't want to see someone like I don't want to see someone like another girl tapos magpapakaano sa'kin, yung sasabihin na, "Uy, ako na lang ganyan, ganyan." Fuck that. I don't want, because I have your mommy. Yeah, I have your mommy, so that's why I don't want fucking serious on another girl, because I'm serious on your mother. I'm not a drunk. I'm not like I'm never gonna drink alcohol right now. But yeah, for me it's like, hindi siya like ano eh. How can I say that? Alam mo yung feeling na parang ngayon mo lang siya gagawin, gano'n. Hindi ako kabado na gagawin ko yan, na magiging seryoso ako sa mami mo. Hindi ako kabado. Pero wala rin sa akin takot na mahalin mami mo. Yun lang masasabi ko na. Wala akong takot mahalin mami. Wala akong takot. Siya mismo, piliin ko. Wala akong takot na gano'n. Nandun ako sa point na parang na-realize ko na sa sarili ko. If mag-work to, it's a good for me. If hindi, it's secure. We're gonna stay with each other. Wait lang. Nako.